Welcome back. This is Haunter POV Episode 7. I feel it's important to mention this is probably my favorite episode that I have edited thus far, and you will see why based off the first clip. I will have a couple annotations that I will mix in the beginning, just for reference and kind of give you some context. So without further ado, Episode 7.
How did you think that was a good idea?
We're so sorry. So for real quick context on that girl, I want you to go back and watch that clip again. First off, do you see that she gets ready to flip me off, like fixes her shirt? I've never seen a child that emphatically flip me off, number one. Number two, her fingers are so long. Kind of creepy. And for context, I just came around the corner and saw them there. I didn't do anything, I just stood there. So that reaction was probably one of my favorites out of this episode.
That is! That's a picture?
Yo!
Oh!
You got some stuff.
You could give me a plate.
Look at pushing, bro.
No, how do you get your finger like that? You bending it like that?
Oh, you got a GoPro on? Hey, flip the camera, flip the camera, flip the camera.
If you ever wonder what I mean when I refer to annoying children, this would be one of those times.
Flip it, flip it.
He put wax on his finger.
Go like this and
He
flip
put
it.
wax on his finger. Yo!
Back over here.
Is that real? You're piercing? Did it hurt? He has some Timbs on. Wanna get...
Hey, baby.
Hey, chill out.
I'm chill.
Huh?
I'm chill. I said, hey, baby.
What's up?
What's up?
You straight?
Kinda, you know.
That's your homeboy right there?
Yeah.
I don't know him.
You don't know him?
I don't work here.
I live over there
Where?
See
in
that
a
light?
van in the trees down by the river.
Who all over there?
It's just me. There's Jeffrey, but he don't talk to nobody really.
You said Jeffrey?
Yeah, Jeffrey. No.
You said Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Who that is?
That's what I call him. He don't talk really. Call him Jeff. Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you tell me what bug this is? Can you just tell me what bug this is? Can you tell me? Tell me what bug this is.
Can you do that to me?
I know, right? I was like, that's amazing.
Oh, yes. Oh, my. That felt so good. Oh!
Folks, I'm getting rid of it.
I'm good with the Lord. Me and the Lord, we got a close bond. A very, very close bond. And I don't think he will want you to do something like this to me. Oh my God. Oh, you know what? I'm going to just give it to the Lord. I'm going to give it to him. Sorry, you can't tell that. Need a hand? I need to get from around here.
Why are you pointing at me? For what? Get her. No.
Don't tell me what to do.
What do you want to do?
No, it said don't tell me what to do. It said get her.
Why are you picking on them?
Because she told me to get her. She's not my boss.
I Michael Myers.
Got a little baby. Got a little baby.
Ah! Oh shit!
I didn't know you worked here. I've followed your TikTok and everything.
Thank you.
I seen you posted earlier that y'all
Yeah.
were here.
Is that a real piercing?
Oh.
Cuz, come on, cuz. Hey, come on, cuz. Woo! Come here. Give me a hug.
I win.
Can I get a photo with you, though?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, let me get a picture with you. Hey, man, Coach, man, tell him how it is.
I was pushing some boards.
But this ain't Jenga. She's someone I would work with. That's what I've been telling you when she's showing on the surface. I ain't saying I'm requesting anyone that's perfect, but I just need a woman that'll make it all.
The Pitch Black, or which line is this for?
I have no idea. Ask
no
her.
idea?
She probably knows.
Pitch
There you
Black?
go.
Awesome, thank you.
Hey, excuse me, miss. Come here. Please, come here. I just want to eat your hair. That's all I want to do. You got them in pigtail. Let me have one. Just like taste one. Please? I'm asking very nicely. I didn't ask for her. Yours are ready to go. They're like all, you know, knotted up or whatever that is. I don't know.
Can I see your nose? Good.
Sure. I want to find you when you come out of there. Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, he won't.
I just went to the bathroom.
Look, I got a little
Yeah.
bit here already.
Same, yeah.
I just want to say, you two are
Where are we going?
He wants a hug.
I'll sacrifice her for him.
I'm sorry.
Look at his makeup. Oh, wait, what is your name? Can I call you, like, Needle, like, Needle Cool? Can I call you, like Needle Face? You're the one.
Think about it, man. Come on.
I know, so
Is that good soda?
I know, right? Oh, yeah, it
Do you
is.
really think you need more sugar?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I didn't
We
ask
have a
you.
lot more at home. I get
Oh
headaches if it's my
my.
birthday.
Are these all yours? Oh,
Yeah,
thank
we're
God.
triplets. We're triplets. Yeah, we're obviously
Just one.
triplets. And it's my birthday.
that age, I'm like,
Stop. My boyfriend will
Hi. That's not my name.
What is it?
Not that.
Okay. Oh my god, they are real! That's so cool! What the? That smile is really beautiful. It's really beautiful. He's like, what about it? Let me take a better one. Get all three of us. How about I get a video? Does it taste bad?
Where'd you go?
Stop pushing me! Giselle, take a picture! How's it going? How are you? Yeah. You're scared too. Yeah, you should scare her.
Hello.
Whoa.
Yes, work it. Working it. Can I get a photo? Wait, can I get a photo of you? Work the angle. Okay, can you get a photo of me then? Okay.
It's good, bro.
Say hi, Ellie. Hey, hi. Oh, I like this guy too. You're another one of my favorites.
Thank you for watching another episode of Haunter POV. Props to you if you caught the Chris Farley reference when I was talking to one of the customers. You can go back and try and find it. If you missed it, I will see you on the next episode.